On December 3rd there was a powerful eruption of Mount Marapi in Indonesia. Mount Marapi, a volcano located on the Indonesian island of Sumatra, erupted powerfully on Sunday. The eruption sent a dense column of ash reaching 3,000 meters above the summit, which is already 2,891 meters tall. The ash extended eastward across the sky, creating a visual spectacle that underscored the raw power of nature. Mount Marapi, which translated to Mountain of Fire, is the most active volcano on Sumatra Island. Its unpredictable nature has led to it being placed on the third highest alert level of Indonesian four-step system. An exclusion zone has been imposed around its crater, and hiking within a 3 km radius from the peak has been banned for communities and tourists alike.